Well, back in the 90s, the Monticello Fire Department got a brand new truck, and 25 years later, it's being replaced with something top of the line. Neil Zarang reports from Monticello on how the department is benefiting from fully entering the 21st century.
This 2024 Pierce bumper truck can unload 1,250 gallons of water in just 1 minute. That's enough to overflow a bathtub in less than 4 seconds. It can also get to a scene up to 30 seconds faster than its predecessor, this 1999 fire truck that was being used just last week. For 25 years, one truck has been the very first line of defense against fires in Monticello. It was the last one bought by Chief Eric Chisholm's dad, the former chief, but any nostalgia for the look and feel.
That's original.
Cannot replace the most important part of a firefighter's job, reliability.
The alternator actually went out when we were at a fire. And while you're pumping water with the truck and the alternator goes out, you look out, the truck dies, now you can't spray water.
It's no secret it's showing its age. A quarter century is longer than some people protected by the fire department can remember.
I wasn't born then. They old, bro. Like a truck that old, it's crazy.
The new #1 engine has increased storage, interior storage for lessening wear and tear, and backup cameras. Plus, it's a 2024 model. However, some stations somewhere will still be fighting fires like it's 1999.
It served the city well, and I hope it continues to serve some rural department well. Believe it or not, they say it's a newer and better truck than what they're currently using.
This new fire truck was paid for with city tax dollars that will hopefully also help the fire department get a better ISO rating, which will in turn lower insurance premiums for people living here. Reporting in Monticello, I'm Neil Zarang.